afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hello, Valente.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
What about you?
I'm also well and safe, beta. Okay, so everyone is ready for reading the essays?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes,
for
ma'am.
last.
Yes,
Feeling
yes,
hungry?
ma'am.
Okay, so after this lecture, you can eat your lunch. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we will start our lecture with Gayatri 1. So you need to turn on your camera or videos.
Yes, ma'am. We turn.
Give me ready for the Gayatri 1. Ready for Gayatri 1 come. Everyone, join your hand. Join your hand. Shubham, join your hand, beta. Shubham. Everyone, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, and start. Om.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः
Keep your hand, everyone. Okay, now everyone ready for exercise? You are feeling tired now? Exercise will give you
Yes, ma'am.
freshness. Okay, so here, everyone, only 5 times. 1, 2, 5. Right. Now we will start our lecture. Okay, firstly, who will give the thought of the day?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, off your video, Tamanna. Okay, beta. Now, everyone. Okay, now give the thought of the day.
Ma'am, what are you speaking?
Thought of the day.
Ma'am, page number.
Beta, page number nahi. I am saying that who will give thought of the day? Who has thought?
No, ma'am, I don't have any food.
Who has the thought of the day? Who will give? Okay, Vedant has given. You can do everything, but you have to do hard work. Okay, this is our thought of the day. We can do everything, but
Okay, ma'am.
we required, we need hard work. Okay, hard work will provide you everything.
Ma'am, I also sent thought.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please something.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, today we have done in worksheet, no?
Okay, so
मैम हमारे पास वर्कशीट नहीं है मैम, आप पीडीएफ भेजोगे मैम?
I don't have PDF.
मैम हमारे पास वर्कशीट नहीं है मैम.
PDF of the work. Today's work.
मैम हमारे पास वर्कशीट नहीं है.
मैम आई हैव.
बेटा जिसके पास है वर्क या तो उससे जेरोक्स आनंद स्टेशनरी पे अवेलेबल नहीं है या फिर आनंद स्टेशनरी से जाकर कलेक्ट करो.
नो मैम, मैम आनंद स्टेशनरी में ऐसा बोलते हैं ही नहीं मैम.
तो बेटा आप किसी के पास जो है उनसे लेकर जेरोक्स करवा लो किसी फ्रेंड से।
मैम मेरे पास
Okay, ma'am.
वर्कशीट मैंने वर्कशीट
मैम,
लेके
आज
रखी है, पर मैम मैं ना नेबरहुड के घर पे है, तो मेरी वर्कशीट घर पे है, तो मैम मेरी दीदी लेने गई है, इसलिए मैम वक्त लगेगा, तो मैम पीडीएफ भेजोगे मैम आप?
You have to understand. I will explain you, then I will send you the PDF. of
Ma'am,
today's
today you
work.
are going to do in worksheet. आप worksheet में कराओगे आप?
ओके मैम,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू मैम,
From page number 5.
थैंक यू मैम।
मैम,
ओके
आज
मैम,
आप पीडीएफ भेज दोगे आज कुछ क्लास के वो?
So page number 4 and 5, I will send you the PDF. 4, 5.
मैम, आप
Thank you,
भेज
ma'am.
दोगे ना पीडीएफ? थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू
मैम,
मैम,
क्योंकि मेरे
Thank you,
पास
ma'am.
है ना
Thank you,
वर्कशीट
ma'am.
नहीं है इसलिए।
Okay,
मैम
beta.
आनंद में ऐसा ही बोलते हैं कि हमारे पास वर्कशीट ही नहीं है।
But बेटा जब थी तब आपने कलेक्ट नहीं किया, so you have to जेरोक्स कर लेना किसी भी अपने
मैम, you
friend
will
से।
do in worksheet.
So I'm going to share you this.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do in worksheet.
Yes, बेटा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम,
मैम,
मैं कल
worksheet.
नहीं थी ना, इसलिए मुझे वर्कशीट में जो भी वर्क कराए ना वो मेरे पास नहीं है, इसलिए आप पीडीएफ भेज दोगे?
Okay. Explain you the worksheet, page number 4. Do the correction in page number 4 and also page number 5 and 6. Okay. So I'm going to share you the screen of worksheet. Everyone open your worksheet. Those have. Okay. And rest you have to write answer in your rough notebook. Everyone. Okay, this is our page number 4 and this is our page number 5 and this is page number 6. Okay. Everyone write here, screen is visual or not? Beta, firstly we will do the page number 4 correction. Okay. My screen is visible? Okay. Okay, so let's see. Page number 4. Everyone start writing. The Latin words menu means hand. Okay, the Latin words menu means hand. The first question we have completed on page number 3. What are manuscripts? Manuscripts are written, handwritten records on the leaf of palm and the bark of birch tree. Okay, and second is, now see, everyone write it. Write it in your worksheet. Second is, the Latin word menu means hand. Write down it. The Latin word menu means hand. Okay. And the third one is, name the leaf on which manuscripts were usually written. It is palm leaf. Palm leaf. Okay. Now fourth is, birch grows well in the Himalayas. As you know, birch, which is used to write manuscript, it's the bark of birch were used to write the manuscripts, grows well in the Himalayan region. Okay. So write here Himalayas. Okay. Then the fourth question, which grows well in the Himalayas? Everyone, write down it. Okay, now next is, where have the manuscripts been preserved? Where have the manuscripts been preserved? Temples and monasteries. Where have the manuscripts been preserved? Temples and monasteries. Okay, where have the manuscripts been preserved? Temples and monasteries. Now, sixth is, name the language in which most of the manuscripts have been written. Everyone, write down it. Which are the languages? Sanskrit, Prakrit, and Tamil. Sanskrit, Prakrit, and Tamil. Sanskrit, Prakrit, and Tamil. Okay, done. The six, Sanskrit, Prakritic, and Tamil. Now, seventh is, what are the inscriptions? Beta, those you have not worksheet, write down it. Write down it. Write down it in your rough notebook. Okay, what are the inscriptions? Now, what are the inscriptions? The inscriptions are written on hard surface such as stone or metal. The inscriptions are written on hard surface such as stone or metal. The inscriptions are written on hard surface such as stone or metal. Done. The inscriptions are written on hard surface such as stone or metal. Okay, now third one is, what do the inscriptions contain? What do the inscriptions contain? The inscriptions contain king's orders. The inscriptions contain the inscriptions contain king's orders. Done this. Victories, etc. Here is etc. Okay. Victories, after then etc. etc. Inscriptions contains kings, orders, victories, etc. Okay. Now next is ninth number. Name the emperor whose inscriptions has been found from Kandahar. Name the emperor whose inscriptions has been found from Kandahar. He was Ashoka. He was Ashoka. Question number 9. Name the emperor whose inscriptions has been found. He was Ashoka. Now, 10th is who are archaeologists? Who are archaeologists? Who are archaeologists? People who study the past objects. Okay? People who study the past objects are archaeologists. People who study the past objects. People who study the past objects are called archaeologists. Okay? People who study the past object are called archaeologists. Okay? Now, next is what do they study? What do they study? What do they study? They study bones of animals. They study bones of animals, plants, remains, etc. Okay, right here, etc. They study bones of animals, plants, remains, etc. Now, excavate means dig under the surface, dig under the surface of the earth. Dig under the surface of the earth. Twelfth is burnt grains and wood are preserved in the carried form. Preserved in the carried form. Carried form. Now 13 number, complete the sentence. Historians are those who study the past. Who study the past using manuscripts, inscriptions, etc. Historians, okay? Historians are those who study the past using manuscripts, inscriptions, etc. Hello? Hello? Beta, call me between 9 to 7. I am taking online lecture. I am taking online lecture. बेटा जो मैंने रोज का मैं लिंक भेजती हूँ उसे ज्वाइन करो बेटा उसमें ज्वाइन नहीं हो आई एम टेकिंग द लेक्चर राइट नाउ check your link beta check your link I am taking class don't waste time beta check your link okay done beta historians are those who study the past using manuscripts inscriptions etc okay now one past or many past here is 14th number question historians and archaeologists are like detectives historians and archaeologists are like detectives okay one past or many past one past or many past why is the plural word past used in the title of class 7 class 6 okay beta here should become class 6 book our past okay answer should be because the past was different for different groups of people because the past was different for different groups of the people example the lives of herders or farmers were different the lives of herder or farmers were different okay done this page beta done this page beta I will also send you the PDF if it is not completed okay everyone is able to see the screen I will also send you the PDF beta okay okay now next page we will start this page okay first is people of Andaman Islands get their food from fishing hunting and collecting people of Andaman Islands get their food from fishing and hunting Hello. What happened, beta? क्या बेटा? बेटा क्लास चालू है, आप ज्वाइन करो। आज जो मैंने लिंक सेंड किया है उस पे ज्वाइन करो, रोज की जो लिंक है उसमें। यू आर What kinds of differences do the people have? What kinds of differences do the people have? Our third question is, what kinds of differences do the people have? The people have different food habits. The people have different food habits. The people have different food habits, different practices and customs. The people have different food habits, different practices and customs. Different occupations, etc. Okay, third answer, the people have different food habits, different practices and customs, different occupations, etc. Okay, now here is what the topic is, what do date means. Okay, so first is, that was founder of Christianity. Jesus Christ. Here was not enough place, so I wrote here Jesus Christ. What is the full form of AD and BC? What is the full form of AD and BC? AD is stand for Anno Domini. Anno Domini, and BC before Christ. And BC before Christ. Okay. Now third is, date before the birth of Christ are called BC or BCE. Are counted in BC or BCE. Dates before the birth of Christ are counted BC or BCE. What is the full form of CE? Common Era. What is the full form of CE? Common Era. What is the full form of CE? Common Era. Okay, now fifth is, what is the full form of BCE? Full form of BCE, before Common Era. Answer is before Common Era. Now sixth is, where does the best successful example in the understanding history through decipherment come from? It's come from the Egypt. Okay, from Rosta town on the north coast of Egypt. Okay, it's come from the Rosta town on the north coast of Egypt. Okay, done. Now next is, what is the number of language inscribed on some of the Rosta? It was the Greek and two forms of Egyptian language. Two forms of Egyptian language. Greek, it is written here Greek. 7 is remaining. 8 is Greek and two forms of Egyptian language. Now here is, where is Rosetta located? Beta 7 I will write in the PDF, okay? PDF mein likhkar then I will send you, then you will complete. Where is Rosta located? Rosta is in Egypt. Rosta is in Egypt. Where is Rosta located? Rosetta is in Egypt. Now, according to the given inscriptions in the chapter on page number 8, the figure of bird stands for letter bird. Okay. The figure of bird stands for letter A. Okay. The figure of bird stands for letter A, and the figure of lion stands for letter L. Stand for letter L. Bird is stand for letter A and lion stand for a letter L. Okay, done. Now multiple choice questions. Manuscripts were written on leaves and trees of bark. Okay. Manuscripts were written on leaves and trees of bark. Now we will do the page number 6. Page number 5 is done. Now page number 6. Rice was first grown in north of India. Rice was first grown in north of India. Done. North of India. Now C number. Inscriptions found near Kandahar were written in Greek and Aramaic language. Okay. Greek and Aramaic language. The Suleiman Ranges borders Afghanistan and Pakistan. Afghanistan and Pakistan. Afghanistan and Pakistan. Okay, now next is E number. South Asia is regarded as subcontinent because of physical features. Because of physical features. Okay, now done. Now we will do the fill in the blanks. Okay, first is the manuscripts are preserved in temples and monasteries. Temples and monasteries. The manuscripts are preserved in temples and monasteries. Okay, now second is River Indus was addressed as Indos or Hindos by the Iranians and Greeks. River Indus was addressed as Indos or Hindos by the Iranians and Greeks, and after that they gave India name to our country. Now see number, one can figure out the specific year of any historical event on the basis of the birth of Jesus Christ. Here is Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. J E S U S. Jesus Christ. Okay? Jesus Christ. Done. One can figure out any specific year. Event on the basis of Jesus Christ. Okay, now fourth is the times of kings could be known due to the ability of written records. The times of kings could be known due to the ability of written records. Written records. Okay. In the inscriptions discovered from Rosetta elephant, it's a Rosetta alphabet. L is denoted by the image of lion, okay, and alphabet A is denoted by the image of bird. Image of bird. Done this, fill in the blanks. Now, Rig Veda contained the earliest composition in Sanskrit dated about 3,500 years ago. Rig Veda contains the earliest compositions in the Sanskrit dated about 3,500 years ago. It is true. It is true. Okay. Many manuscripts were eaten away by insects. Some were destroyed. This is also true. Inscriptions were not used for keeping records of victories in battle. It is false because kings also ordered to inscribe their victories in a battle. Okay. Now, last one, true false is all dates before the birth of Christ are counted backward and are usually referred to as BC. Jesus Christ के birth के बाद का time. All dates before the birth of Jesus Christ. Yes, before. Yes, it is true, beta. My mistake. Before है. Before the Jesus Christ. It is true. Jesus Christ के जन्म से पहले का जो भी टाइम है, it is usually referred in BC. Yes, it is true. It's my mistake. Do it true. Okay, done this page, beta. Done till page number 6. Everyone done page number 6. Okay, now we will do the page number 7. I'm going to explain you page number 7. Here is match the following. So Narmada Valley will match with 2. Okay. Narmada Valley will match with 2. Hunting and gathering. Okay. And Magda was the first kingdom. First big kingdom. Magda was the first big kingdom. Okay. And Garo Hills, early agriculture. Garo Hills, early agriculture. Okay. And Indus and its tributaries, the first cities. Ganga Valley, city about 2,500 years ago. Done, everyone. Narmada Valley will match with the option number 2, hunting and gathering. Magda will match with the first big kingdom. Garo Hills will match with the early agriculture. Indus and its tributaries, the first cities. Ganga Valley, city is about 2,500 years ago. Done, everyone, this? Okay, so now I'm going to take your attendance. In your homework, you have to do the map which is given on page number 7 and 8. Firstly, I am going to take your attendance, then I will also explain you how you have to do this map. Okay, so just a minute, I am going to take your attendance. बेटा मैप आपको अपने आप ही करना, I will not send PDF with map. You have to do map with yourself. Okay, now see how you have to do the map. I have taken your attendance, everyone. Now see, on the given map of India, locate and label the following. So now here is Kirthar. First is Kirthar. So as you know, this is Kirthar and Kirthar and Suleiman Hills. Here is the location. So you have to find out which is the Kirthar Hill and which is the Suleiman Hill. Okay, you can take help of your textbook. Page number 2. Okay, page number 2. Okay, and B also is here. Here is Kirthar and here is Suleiman. And Thar. Where is Thar? You are aware about the Thar. Here is Thar. And Himalayas. Here are Himalayas. There are Himalayas. Okay, and Garo Hill is in Assam. Garo Hill is in Assam. Okay, and Vindhyas in the center of India. Okay, here are the Vindhyas. So you have to point out it. You can use the indicator also. You can write the name also. Okay, it's better you write the name. Okay, in a map. Now next is, here are given points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, you have to write. Okay, so you can clearly see that these are the rivers. So you have to identify what is the name of this A point. It means which river is this. So A is your Jhelum river. This is Jhelum river. And B number option is Chenab. B is Chenab. Okay, and C is Ravi. And D is Satluj. D is Satluj river. Okay, so you have to write the name. And this river is, F number point is Ganga. And G number point is Yamuna. G number point is Yamuna. And H number point is Son. Son river. Okay, so you have to complete this map in your worksheet. Okay, everyone? Everyone is clear about the homework? Everyone is clear about the homework? Okay, beta. So now we have completed our chapter 1 in history. From tomorrow we will start geography. Okay, from tomorrow we will start geography. Goodbye everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.